channel. Today we are discussing about computer components. So now we will discuss various important components of computer like hardware and software, and most dangerous, the virus. So a computer system consists of two parts, hardware and software of a computer depend on the electronic parts and the program stored in it. The input, output and process device which are physically visible are hardware, whereas software is the program stored in the process device and it's not visible physically. So what is the hardware? So all the electronic and mechanical part of the computer are known as hardware. The hardware can be touched physically. If you see viewers, you see my screen, the power supply, DVD, ROM driver and motherboard, CPU fan, RAM, VGA card, sound card, hard disk, reader all in one, and keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker. So these all are the hardware. And software. So what is the software? So computer software is the program or a set of programs that help in function of a computer. Computer software help in the data processing to the representation. Program is a set of the instructions given to the computer to perform your work. Computer carries out the instructions that we give in the form of the software. So you see my screen, we show the many software here. If you so this is the browser. Browser one is a software, and if we open the command prompt, this is the CMD. You see, this is the software. So command prompt is also software. And if I open the MS Office, so MS Office is also one of our software. And MS DOS, MS Office. This is the paints. I'm open here. So paints. This is also. If you see, this is the paint. This is also one of the software. So as discussed, Window is also software. Window, MS Logo, MS Office, MS Pen, and Window, games, etc. All are the application of the software. And now we are talking about the virus. So what is the virus? So virus exists. So first we have discussed about the virus. If a program that has been written to the cause problem in the functioning of a computer is called virus. And a computer virus get transmitted from computer to computer like a biological virus which get transmitted from person to person. In these days, coronavirus is spread from one person to another person. Virus may cause data to be corrupted or lost. A virus may pass from the computer to computer through floppy disk, CD drive, or even internet. So, in person spread the virus and computer to computer virus. So never ever open any email address, and without knowing, you cannot put any CD on your computer, also not the floppy drive, and as the pen drive. So if you see here which is the virus, so we have defined here is two sides. One is the virus, this is the virus, okay, and another one is a antivirus. So antivirus protect your computer, and if a useful injection or useful vaccine you get from the doctors, so virus cannot spread from person to person. So many types of virus here. One is worm virus, okay, and second is Trojan virus, okay, and third one is Melissa virus, and one is famous is I love you virus. And if you see the antivirus, so antivirus is required to your computer. An antivirus software program is a computer program that can be used to scan file to identify and eliminate a computer virus. So few antivirus software are available. Are they McAfee, okay, and the second is Norton and Quick Hill and Avira, Kaspersky. These all are the antivirus. If you see the here are the virus and antivirus, so the top 10 best antivirus you see here. These all are the antivirus. Bitdefender, Norton, okay. So today we are discuss about three components. One is the hardware, and second is the software, and third is the virus. Okay, so this is the touchable base. So hardware consists of all the electronic and mechanical parts in the computer is a hardware, and software is a program written for the hardware to the perform desired work. Hardware can be touch, so here you see the touch, can be touch, and software is the non-touch. Okay, so software cannot be touched, and keyboard, mouse, modem. Example, if you see here, the keyboard, mouse, etc. is the hardware, and if you the software, then MS-DOS, Windows, and any application is the software. And if you the virus we have discussed, Avira and etc. are the antivirus, and virus is the Norton. Okay, Trojan is the virus, Melissa is the virus. So we famous just a moment, I love you virus. This is a good name, but I love you virus in the computer. So, in the computer, if you see here, so Wikipedia say I love you, sometimes referred to as a love bug or love letter for the you, is a computer worm that infected over 10 million Windows personal computer on and after 4 May 2000, when it started spreading as an email message with the subject of the I love you, and the attachment is a love letter for you, is txt.b. So extension is very important for knowing the virus. So you never ever open any unknown link on your computer. So thank you for listening.